Hello everyone, welcome back to Beaten External. This video demonstrates how to utilize a particularly charged GPT to gain a clear understanding of the purpose and function of the Excel formulas. We are using an added formula editor for this demo. Okay, imagine that you are in a situation you are not able to understand which formula to be used for Excel. Okay, so all these doubts will be cleared by this added formula editor. Let's go into the code. Okay. If you are someone using Excel in your day-to-day job, let me tell you something: you are going to be replaced unless you are integrating AI in your Excel. If you integrate AI in your Excel workflow, let me tell you something: you are going to be 10x more productive and you will be getting that promotion that you deserve. If you want to learn all this, join me for my 2 hours workshop on Excel using AI. This is the sample sheet I have here, and we have an employee ID, employee name, max physics, chemistry, total, everything. Okay, and these details are here. Okay, like what is this: a max mark physics chemistry for these 3 students, and we need to calculate total average and the grade. Okay, so instead of remembering all sum average all these functions, we have this added formula editor. Okay, so click over here. This 3 ribbons will come and I'm using here. Okay, so you can see on the right side cell formula, and I'm going to give this a generator. Okay, so we need to give the prompt. Okay, and it will give the formula. Okay, so this is I need to calculate total average and grade for this employee Raj. Okay, so this is the B3 and this is the B5. Okay, calculate sum of B3 to B5. Okay, so I should press this submit button. Okay, sum B3 to B5. Okay, that is the formula. Okay, you can copy and you can paste over here, or otherwise if there is the arrow button right, you must highlight the cell where you want to calculate this part, and if you press this it'll be 251. Okay, so we got the total. Now we need to find the average same way. I'm just putting okay, calculate average same rate average of B3 to B5. Okay. Okay, so the same thing, you have got it. I will be using here. Okay, so this is the average. Okay, and this last part, okay, it is a little twisted. Okay, because it is not like a direct like average sum, we need to calculate the grade. Okay, we will make such that if he's from above 80 we'll make it as A, and 70 to 80 we will make it as B, and 50 to 60 we'll make it as C, lesser than 50 we'll make it as D, okay, just an assumption. Okay, not to go straight exactly what. Okay, so I'll be using. Okay, what is this B8 on B8? Populate B7 rate if B7 greater than 80. Okay, and I'll make A, okay, if populate if B7 and B, if it's between how much you can keep, like 70 to 70 and 60 to 79, and C if it's between how much we can keep, let's get it 40 to 50, 40 to 59 ELS populate T, okay, and before submitting guys, one important update. Okay, as you all aware that A is taking over the world in such a short span of time, we have seen so many layoffs, millions of jobs replaced by A, and you don't want to get affected by this recession rate. Okay, so A won't replace you, but the person using A will replace your job. So if you want to save your job and become irreplaceable in your career, join our 3-hour A Tools workshop, in which you will teach you about the best A tools to upskill, increase your productivity and enhance your career. All the installation steps and other A tools will be explained detail in our B10X program. So make your future secure with us. Join our workshop by clicking the link below in the description. Okay, so this will be the link. Okay, I'm going to go to this B10X to IN, okay, and take this page. These are the upcoming workshop. Okay, and you can go over here for mastering the A Hashin MS, when will be the next workshop number 18, and why to join this course, and all these details are here. Okay, and you can see it. So don't miss to join this workshop, guys. Okay, let's go to code. So we have seen now I am giving Summit. Okay, this is I'm giving Summit. Let's see. Okay, so it has given this code, guys. Okay, here comes the if and I have given some part, okay, some scripts like, and you can use it here. Okay, if I give over here. So above 80, so populate B2 if B sound is greater than 80. Okay, guys. And now same you can calculate over here also, and the same things will be 198, 66%. Okay, so he is B, okay, so you can employ from here also you can do. Okay, and 261 and this is 87. Okay, the advantage over here is, for example, if I am making for like 40, okay, the total and average will be changed. Okay, so it has come to 183. Okay, now I'm keeping 90. So it became BU okay, and I'm keeping here 90. Okay, so here also the values changed. Okay, so now I'll make it 35. No, okay, don't defile. Let's keep 35. 35, you can see the values are getting changed, guys. Okay, and yeah, so if I keep over here 100, same it will be in 100. So yeah, and if I keep over here 100, see, okay, so you can take this formulas and you can use it, and this is 1, and you can make such that right now, see, we have given like only for these 3 students, you can extend for most students, and you can do further thing like, for example, you can code such that, see, for example, here I'm working on 35, here is 25, right? If don't I want such that in any one of the subject, right? It should, if it is a lesser than 35, it should give something like fail. Okay, you can add another one more column like what is the grade we have given here, right? Suppose now also it should not be C, right? Usually in sign any subject, if a person fail, what it should be, the grading system should not be there. Okay, and there should be one more column like whether pass or fail like status, okay, we can keep and you can make like it should be failed like that because I didn't add this part. So for your working experience, you can do in that way and we can make many things, okay, like you can bring the sheet 1 sheet 2 also and you can add it further. Okay, so the information is if after we edit it also the value changes, okay, based on the grading system, okay, so that is the part over here and you can make such that there should not be any decimal points and you can make that the employee ID should be, you can give the script over here, okay, like the prompts, whatever it is required, you can give over here and definitely it will calculate, okay, and so that's a purpose I given in bold actually, okay, and like for example, here 25, yeah. Something is D, okay, we should make such that if we any one of the subject if it is lesser than 35, the status should be made as fail and the grade should not be displayed, okay, it should be blank or it should give some other information, okay, so these type of details you can do, guys, okay, so I hope you enjoyed this session, okay, see you again, bye bye, take care.